If we look at our customer list in Business Central, we see that we have a possible duplicate. Up here we have Litware Inc. and down here we have Litware. So what we think happened is someone entered a new customer not knowing that this customer already existed in the system. And it looks like then they invoiced this customer for something, so they do have a balance as well as sales, and that original customer has a balance and sales as well. So what we're going to be able to do is merge these customers, which will in turn merge the balance and the sales. So we're going to click on the customer that we want to keep, and we'll enter that record. And we're going to go to Actions, Functions, Merge With. This will bring us to a window where we can specify the customer that we want to merge with. So we will pick our other Litware. And we'll see all of these different fields down here populate. So what's going to happen is we have the current value from this customer. So unless we choose an override of the alternate value from that customer we're merging with, it's going to use the current value customer information. So I'm going to look for any differences, and I'm going to change the contact. We'll say that John Smith and his phone number is the more updated contact. I'll change the salesperson code and everything else. Oh, we'll change the email address as well. Everything else we're going to leave the same. So these are the only fields we're overriding with that alternate value. Now I'm going to click merge and make sure that you want to do this because you cannot undo this step once you've done it. We'll click yes. And now back in our customer screen, we can see that we have Litware here, which has merged with the other Litware customer. So that second customer is gone from the list. We can also see that the balance as well as the sales have merged with that customer as well. If we click into the customer card, we will notice that since we selected the alternate value for the email, contact information, and phone number, that information has now been brought over to this original customer card. So again, make absolute sure that you want to do these merges on your customers or your vendor records because you cannot undo them. But this is a really handy tool to have in your Business Central toolbox in case you do have duplicate records that you need to merge.